2K20, do you have to buy S9? Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S, so let's start the video. Welcome back. Samsung Galaxy S9 comes with 5.8-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen, 83.6% skin to body ratio, and phone also protected by Gorilla Glass 5. S9 also IP68 dust and water resistant. So any types of video watching experience super cool with the Super AMOLED display. Now my phone running Android 10 with One UI 2. By the way, I am also making another video my using experience on Android 10 my Galaxy S9. Check out description line. S9 comes with Exynos 9810 chipset with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage and UFS 2.1. Let's move on camera. S9 comes with single 12 megapixel 1.5 to 2.4 aperture, 26mm wide with LED flash, auto HDR and panorama. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 fps and also 720p 960 fps super slow-mo video. S9 camera API to enable so you can easily use GCAM. I am also another video about GCAM. Check out description line. S9 powered by 3000mAh battery and also support 15W fast charger and quick charger 2.0. Also support wireless charger. So the question is, do you have to buy Samsung Galaxy S9 2020? Yeah, you can buy this phone. This phone have a beautiful Super AMOLED display. Another reason is this phone running Android 10 with One UI 2. You get all the feature S20 series. Okay, all about that S9. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.